Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So here with Solana, I think we are still either in the wave 4 or already have started the 5th wave. I'm not entirely convinced about the idea that we've started wave 5 to the upside already. If you remember what we said, the idea was that the wave 3 of this possible impulse peaked at where were we, $25 basically here, middle of January, and that we had a WXY structure here, and that the Y wave finished here, and we had an ABC within the Y wave, and the target at the time where we also bounced off from, that was also one of the turnaround areas I suggested to you for a possible long trade, which would have been a successful one, a really good one actually, especially intraday. But here the first one bounced off the 1-to-1 ratio, the 100% extension target of the A wave. So that was the very first possible target to finish off this 4th wave, and it used it, at least for now. But price action is not sufficient enough to confirm that wave 4 is finished. It could still very well carry on. I will suggest to you an alternative count as well. So at the moment, however, I'm watching if this here was a wave 1, yeah, after we finished off the wave 4 with this low on the 1st of February, I'm watching if that really was the low and we moved up in a wave 1, coming down in a wave 2. That wave 2 might be finished. Yeah, similar to what Ethereum is doing. We had an A wave down, a B wave up, and the C wave down. And this C wave could have been truncated low, but, well, yeah, it would have to be. It's not really great to count it like this, 4 and then 5. Reason why that's not great is because of this price action here. So I'm currently looking at it as a possible truncated low, but I'm not extremely happy with that. Yeah. Not extremely happy with that, but it could very well be ABC. We came into our support box. Also, this long trade would, looking at current price action, would have been successful, yeah? Trend reversal area. Reacted to this support, reacted to this support, reacted to this resistance. Yeah, so at the moment, it seems like it's going to go up, but I have to tell you as well, it's very weak. It's not even making a higher low. So, yeah, I'm not entirely convinced about this, and the risk to still come down at present is high. And then based on the latest price action, I would need to look at what is the count. I mean, what certainly could be the case is that we get here a WXY pattern, what I suggested for Bitcoin, that because we can still, even in this 1-2 setup, max out here the support box. Yeah, this could still be from the top, yeah, a WXY, and then here in the Y wave we've got an A wave complete. No, see, that would fit much better actually. Maybe I'll change it to that depending on what the price does, because if the X wave peaked here, then this 3 wave move down could have been an A, this massive price action a B, and we would then have to move down now in a C wave, maybe a 1-2 complete already, and we're heading or a diagonal in this C wave. I'm going to observe that. So what you need to know at this stage, if you already entered with maybe a long trade in the support area, maybe be ready for a possible additional drop here, whatever that might mean. Maybe you close it, maybe you just move up the stop loss. But I think at the current stage, because this move is corrective, this sideways move at the moment, it could very well still come down impulsively. I would actually think it will, but markets don't care about what I think, right? It just looks like that we haven't really seen anything substantial yet that would suggest we're breaking out. This would change if we break out impulsively above $25 and then would follow the count here in a wave 3 to the upside. I will leave it as it is now. Always bear in mind what I do here is micro counting, giving you options, showing you possible trade setups. Yeah, and if we move up from here, the target for that 3rd wave would be the 1.618 extension. So we're talking here about, yeah, around about $29 really for that 3rd wave. Now, there is another possibility if this carries on for a bit, this sideways action, and this is actually that that if I count it differently, I could put the wave 3 here. Would have to change the 1-2 down here, so the 1-2 would actually sit here, then the wave 3 here, and the wave 4 might be a still unfolding triangle. So I would then have to count this as an A wave, this as a B wave, the last dip as a C wave, this as a D wave, and we might just be in an E wave, which might eventually push even, might then in the end push higher as well. So it wouldn't change a lot, but it would allow us to move sideways for a little bit longer. So that's still a possibility in an Elliott wave triangle. An Elliott wave triangle is not possible anymore if we either break below 2250 now. Well, yeah, we shouldn't drop below 2250, then it would get a bit messy. But yeah, different possibilities are still there, and all we can do really, you have so many different possible corrective patterns. I mean, this could even become a deeper wave 4. That's also possible based on the support levels that I suggested to you. This could even come down to $16.70. So until we break below $16.70, I can't actually confirm that it's, something different. It can still be a wave 4 based on the current count. But at the moment, the focus can be on higher because the support levels and the trade setups did hold and did work out. And I will keep you updated. Yeah, and that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.